Presentation. Hello, good afternoon. My name is, I am 24 years old. I'm from Giron. I'm single. I'm married. I have a son. I have a daughter. I have a son and a daughter. I have a girlfriend. I don't have children. Current work. I'm a DirecTV technician. I'm a moto taxi driver. I'm a waiter. I'm a butcher. I'm a gas plant inspector. I'm a mechanic helper. I don't have a job. Studies. I have a high school diploma. I'm an electromechanic industrial maintenance technologist. I'm a marketing technician. I want to study industrial engineering. Work experience. I have worked as a mechanic. I have worked as an operator in Pimpollo. I have worked as a shoemaker. I have worked as a food supplier in a supermarket. I have worked as a construction assistant. I have worked as a sound technician. I have worked as a carpenter. I have been a maintenance operator in Burger King. I have worked in a bakery. I have worked in a stationery shop. I have worked mixing and working with cement. Qualities. I'm an intelligent person. I'm an honest person. I'm a hard-working person. I arrive on time. I work well with others. I have a lot of respect for my co-workers. I like to work because I like my job. I want to help my family. I want to help my wife. I want a better future. I want to learn new things. I want to be more competitive.